Students, I'm showing you all how to represent irrational number root 7 on the number line. Okay, so first you have already taken down two questions, correct? Practice set 1.4 already you have done two, that is to show root 3 on the number line and to show root 5 on the number line. Next we are moving on to show the number root 7 on the number line. So you have to take down like this to show the number root 7 on the number line, as you can see here. Okay, then what are we going to do next? As I showed in the online class, leave some space here. Okay, because when we place the protractor we won't be able to mark 90 degree. So after leaving some space, just draw a straight line. Okay, once this line is done, first we'll begin with 0. Okay, what do you have to do next is leave 2 centimeters. Okay, so that we have enough space. Leave 2 centimeters and make a point here. Okay, so from 0, then I did at 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Okay, once this is done, here we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Till 3 if you do, that is more than enough. Okay, then what did I say you all? What is the next step? Now to show root 7 on the number line. Okay, we have already got root 2, isn't it? We already got root 2, root 3 on the number line. Yes, root 4 is here. Yes, this I have already told you all. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 2s are, we will get 4, correct? So square root of 4 is nothing but 2. What else? After root 4 we will get root 5, isn't it? Then we get root 6. Okay, next we will be getting root 6. To get root 7, we will be drawing a perpendicular line at root 6, correct? So how to draw a perpendicular line at root 6? Keep the protractor properly at 90, mark a point and then join root 6 with that point. Okay, so we got straight perpendicular line. What did I tell you all next? Take the compass, place it at 0. Okay, and then till 1. Okay, till 1 measure it. Don't move the compass. Take this as it is, place it at root 6 and mark an arc over here. Clear? So this is what? Nothing but 1 unit. Okay, we are not measuring in any centimeters, meters, anything. We are just mentioning it as 1 unit. After that, what are we going to do next? We are just going to draw a slant line. We'll join this arc and here the midpoint O. Okay, 0. Now we'll name it L. Okay, this I am naming it as M and here N. Okay, now we got this right angled triangle. Okay, after that with the pen below you write in right angled triangle L M N. L M N. Okay, below using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, now what is hypotenuse over here? Ln, correct? Straight away opposite to 90 degree. So that is our hypotenuse. So ln square is equal to, what is perpendicular here? Lm square plus base is what? Nm square is equal to, what is Lm square? Here 1 unit, correct? We measured using the compass 0 to 1. So 1 unit. 1 square plus Nm from point here till here. Where it, what is the measurement? Root 6. Root 6 square. 1 square is nothing but 1 ones are 1. And root 6 square will give you 6. Okay, when we take the square root and when we square it, okay, when square root is squared, we will get that square root will go away and we'll get as 6. Okay, 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7. Correct. Now what is this 7? Ln square is 7. Correct. Ln square is 7. What do we want? We want Ln measurement. So taking square root on both sides, what you will get? Square root of ln square is equal to square root of 7. Correct? So when we take square root, ln square, square will go away and we will get ln is equal to, we'll keep square root of 7 as it is. Clear? So here we got ln measurement as root 7. Okay. Now what are we going to do next? Using your compass, place it at point N. From point N, measure till this. Where? Till L. Okay. Don't move the compass. Straight away draw an arc till it intersects at the number line. Okay. So you can see just besides root 6 you will get a point. Okay. You will get a point just besides root 6 you will be getting a point that is nothing but root 7. Okay. So very narrow arc you will get which is just besides root 6. Clear? So this is how you are supposed to draw. You are supposed to draw it neatly. This is how you are going to write down. Okay, in a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem, write down the formula. Everything step by step you have to write down. Is that clear everyone? So any doubts you can ask me.